Alright, Cameron here from IPD, and I'm going to talk to you today about a real common problem that comes up on a lot of different Volvo models. Specifically on station wagons, and that's usually when you're going to notice it the most because the consequences are a lot more dire than they are on a sedan. And that common issue is going to be tailgate shocks. On these cars, the tailgates are all held up by a big shock that's in there. Tailgate shock acts not only as a piece to hold it up and keep it open, but also to help you open it up. Some of the earlier models like 240s, 140s, 740s, those ones, you still have to use your muscles to open the thing up, but then once you get about halfway, the shocks take over and they hold it up. Now, if you've had one that has failed, you know how heavy those tailgates are. When you get into these later cars, they get even heavier because of all the extra stuff that's in there, the electronics, the wiring, all of it. So on these ones, when you open it, they actually do the job of lifting it as well. Signs of it starting to fail are when it doesn't lift and doesn't hold. So if you watch this one, this is our 2004 V70R. This one has some that are okay, but starting to wear out. Now watch as I open this here. On good working cars that have good shocks in the back, from about here, they should kind of open on their own. See how this one's sticking? Kind of got to ease it up a little bit. Not bad, but not great. And the solution for that, to fix that, is replacing the shocks. On these cars, they look just like this. They're short, strong little guys, and they're completely hidden. So it's not quite as easy as on the 240s, 740s and stuff where you can see them, you get right to them. They're hidden a little more involved to change these out. But the idea is the same. These pieces are real important to hold it open, keep the thing from falling on your head, and keep the thing from running into your back or doing whatever. So we stock these for all the models from 240s all the way on up to the brand new ones. So if yours are starting to fail, are weak, aren't working like they're supposed to, give us a call, check out our website, and get a new set.